Planarian flatworms are amazing creatures because they can regenerate almost any part of their body. If you cut one in half, each part can grow into a complete new worm. This ability comes from a special type of cell called pluripotent stem cells, which can turn into any type of cell the worm needs, like skin, muscle, or even brain cells. It's like having a built-in repair system that never stops working. Because of this regeneration power, planarians don't really age the way most animals do. Instead of getting older and weaker, they can just replace damaged or aging cells with fresh ones. Some scientists think this makes them biologically immortal, meaning they could, in theory, live forever as long as nothing kills them, like predators or disease. Their incredible regenerative ability has also made them a popular subject for research in biology and medicine.